Well, hi there, online AP Statsers and parents. This is Landon here. I wanted to send you a quick, short video before we officially kick off the class, just to kind of say welcome and introduce myself to you, give you a few quick highlights of what you can expect this year. This is my 17th year of teaching at Mount Westonka High School. It is my 6th year of AP Stats. We had 2 years in the classroom, and we've had 3 years of the online environment, which you guys are going to be doing this year. An incredibly high success rate for the national exam. Most students that take this exam are obviously shooting for a 3, 4, or a 5. I've had between, I would say, 86 and 97% passing, which is a 3, 4, or 5 on this exam. Last year, with kind of our funkiness that we had with this online learning in fourth quarter, the AP exam was actually an online test, and it was 2 free response questions. And I have to tell you, I'm so proud of last year's class. I have an 87% passing rate from this new test environment that we had last year. Now, your test this year is scheduled for Thursday, May 13th. And as of now, it's the standard test that we've typically had. And what that means is our class is going to be prepping you for a 2-part test. The first part is 40 multiple choice questions that you'll take in 90 minutes. And the second part is 6 free response questions you take in 90 minutes. That's the normal exam. And that's kind of how this course is structured. We do a lot of multiple choice, a lot of free response, and just kind of really get you in the groove for that. I'm not concerned if something happens again in the spring of this coming year, where we have to kind of do what we did last year with just 2 online free response questions in 45 minutes is what last year's test was. Again, success rate has been so good. I will tell you, to be really successful in this class, if you're someone that does the scheduled assignments that are posted online on their due dates, I have found that those students that have been very diligent and staying kind of on task really are the ones that are shooting and getting those 4s and the 5s. So I do, being an online course, sometimes people will procrastinate a little bit more. Those people are still do actually fairly well in this class. They definitely have shown that they can get the 3s and the 4s. The 5s are a little bit harder if you're a procrastinator. So set yourself a goal of what you're looking for, and hopefully that course will work out for you. The other thing I did want to mention is the structure of our class. So we are a 0-hour course, which means we're not really scheduled in the day. You all are planning to take this course during your student prep periods. So unlike everyone else in this hybrid model, we will never Zoom as a class. We're not going to Zoom and take attendance because we don't do that in this class. This is truly one of the pure online classes at Mount Westonka High School. There's not a lot of them. It is expected, though, that you stay on pace and you meet certain deadlines. I have videos when you start your course introduction, and I just want to kind of show you to kick off because I don't want to be too repetitive. But if we look at the schedule, again, you guys are 0 hour. So I put you under the win time because 0 is an even number. So what you're going to see is the course introduction. You actually have a class this first week scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, the nice thing about being a pure online class, let's say you're booked on Tuesday and you're so busy, it's okay if you don't get it done on Tuesday. You are going to have specific deadlines though, and you probably are going to give yourself, maybe 3 to 7 days of wiggle room before a deadline is reached. Once a deadline is reached, any assignments that aren't done to that deadline do get a 0. Again, like I said, I have found in the past, the students that are coming here on Tuesday and getting that assignment done on Tuesday and staying with Wednesday and really staying on pace, they do tend to succeed a little bit more in this class versus the people that really procrastinate. However, I have seen those people still come through and just nail that exam. So when you actually start the course, I do have you guys scheduled for Tuesday. You're going to start right here. You're going to click on this course introduction. So just click on there and it'll kind of let you walk you through the syllabus and expectations and how things are graded and things of that nature. Please do plan to pick up a book for this course. This is a wonderful textbook. It's also available online. You'll actually look when you kind of go through our learning scheduled for Tuesday. And I highly recommend, let's just start on a good note. Everyone get Tuesday's assignment done on Tuesday. That'd be great. And the same for Wednesday. And then you'll have this first week done. Start to juggle this class more with your other course loads that maybe those are going to be heavy on a certain day. And you're like, you know what? AP Stats is scheduled for today. Maybe I'll put it off till tomorrow. That's okay. Students can still be very successful with giving themselves a couple of days of wiggle room and so forth. So again, welcome. Last thing I do want to say though is this too. My name is Nicole Landon. So when you ever email me, there's a Landon N and a Landon D. Landon D is my sister-in-law. She never ever checks that email. Do not email Landon D. Email Landon N and you will be talking to me. Other than that, I do look forward to seeing each and every one of you. Looks like are coming and doing the hybrid model, which is great. So I'll probably either see you on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending when you kind of filter through to pick up your materials. So I will see you to get your textbook and all of your starting resources. Welcome to Online AP Stats, and I hope you have a great year.